Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a split cup pour and I will use two little pigments today, two goddess. One is Aphrodite, Aphrodite in Slovene, and the other one is Athena. So two Greek goddess. Whoops! And I will use a split cup from paintpourstore.com. You will find links to these little pigments from Fluid Art CO, and for the split cup in my description box. And I dispersed my pigments with polyurethane gloss varnish from Vallejo first, and then I added my pouring medium and water, and I will use titanium white from Amsterdam too, and Payne's gray from Goldens. So let me just think. So I will pour my Payne's gray into this chamber, and then Athena. These sticks are really great because you can scrape, you see, really everything out. So I highly recommend them. They are of course reusable, so see. Okay, and my titanium white. And Aphrodite. Both of them are just gorgeous. Enough of this one. I'm done, and I like it, and I can't wait how this will dry, because those piggies and this Payne's gray, I will just torch it, because I see a lot of air bubbles here. Okay, and I will call it done. I don't know, maybe some of you will find this weird, but I just love all those lines, and I know that this will be really beautiful when it will be dry. So let me clean this up and take you down for a close-up. So here is a close-up. I don't know, you probably can't see the shimmer and the true colors of this, so I will show you a close-up with the flash on my phone too, but this is just amazing how those piggies glow towards this dark Payne's gray, and this one looks kind of brownish now, but it's not. So I love it. I will be right back with the flash on. So let me try to show you the shimmer if I can. These two goddesses are just really goddess. Isn't it gorgeous? And here you can see the Athene gold shimmer in the pigment. It's just gorgeous. So hopefully I managed to show you the whole beauty. And tell me in the comments, Aphrodite or Athena. Bye.